Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two innovative products designed for small spaces: the DFJKJUU portable washing machine and the Nixod portable washing machine. Both of these machines promise convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for apartments, dorms, and travel. Let's take a closer look at what each machine has to offer. Let's start with capacity. The DFJKJUU portable washing machine boasts a larger capacity of 16 liters, making it ideal for washing more items at once. In contrast, the Nixod portable washing machine has a slightly smaller capacity of 15 liters. This difference might seem minor, but for those who frequently wash multiple small items, every liter counts. Next, let's discuss the spin-dry features. The DFJKJUU model includes a removable spin-dry basket, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. On the other hand, the Nixod features an integrated spin basket, which is convenient but may be less flexible for cleaning. This distinction could influence your choice, depending on your preferences for ease of use and maintenance. Finally, let's compare the design and portability of these machines. Both the DFJKJUU and Nixod are designed to be compact and foldable, making them easy to store. However, the Nixod comes with an additional drain hose, which adds to its functionality. If you're looking for a machine that offers more convenience in draining water, the Nixod might be the better choice. In conclusion, both the DFJKJUU and Nixod portable washing machines offer great features for those in need of compact laundry solutions. The DFJKJUU stands out with its larger capacity and removable spin-dry basket, while the Nixod impresses with its integrated features and additional drain hose. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.